Why Hayman Reese? Well, firstly, all Hayman Reese tow bars, they come with a smart click plug and play wiring solution. What does that mean for you? It gives you the peace of mind that the wiring system installed on your car to operate your trailer socket is going to work without giving you any issues with electronics on the tow vehicle itself. But as part of the everyday or weekly maintenance, every time you plug a trailer in, just have a look at your trailer socket itself. You're looking for any rust, corrosion or obstructions in there which might inhibit the lights working correctly on your trailer. Like any accessory fitted to a vehicle, it needs to be maintained. So we recommend every 12 months, climb underneath and check and make sure the nuts and bolts are all fastened correctly. And just have a general look over the condition of the tow bar and make sure if you see anything, you bring it up with Hayman Reese and see if there's any concerns. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, please contact one of the Hayman Reese installers and they can help you look at your tow bar, inspect it for you and let you know it's okay.